So every storm, right, offers a chance to learn lessons that can be applied in the future. Tonight, senior reporter Eileen Buckley spoke with one Erie County leader about what went right and what can be changed the next time the snow starts to fly.
And to get where we are, even today, is still way ahead of the pace of 2014.
With record-breaking snow in Hamburg and Orchard Park, Erie County is assessing with other town, city, and village leaders on how they react to this historic lake effect storm. I met with Dan Neverth Jr., Commissioner of the Erie County Department of Homeland Security and Emergency Services. He tells me compared to the aftermath of the November 2014 storm, cleanup efforts are way ahead of where we were 8 years ago.
So we looked at after 2014, what could we do better? I think we did a really good job on that. Now we're going to take a look and we'll figure out what can we do to manage a little bit better.
Days before the storm, the county announced plans, and last Thursday, the state closed the thruway to all truck traffic to prevent tractor trailers from jackknifing as they did in 2014. But keeping truck traffic off the thruway caused major backups, stranding trucks and vehicles along main routes here in Hamburg and in Orchard Park.
Unfortunately, when you all of a sudden decide that you're going to do that, truck drivers are pretty savvy and they're going to try and find routes, even if those are routes maybe that wouldn't normally take them on some of the roads.
But Neverth tells me the truck traffic gridlock was also caused by people who headed out after refusing to listen to warnings to stay off the roads.
I think during the course of the storm, we made it very clear what our expectations were, and we still had a lot of pushback from individuals.
Neverth says being proactive, such as closing schools and roads ahead of the weather, also garnered complaints from the public, asking why they are shutting down before the snow flies.
It's a balance, it's a delicate balance, it's decisions that have to be made, and we'll make those tough decisions. We're not afraid to do that.
Dan, if you had to grade it for yourself, what letter grade would you give your whole group and what you did?
I would grade it pass-fail. Because I always did that when I was in college, so I graded pass, but also keeping in mind that along with that comes the room for improvement. We'll have after actions, and then when we next time get 8 feet of snow, hopefully we'll have all of the things fine-tuned a little bit more.
Eileen Buckley, 7 News.